Good morning, friends. As we have seen the various theories of atom. So, in last period, we have seen the Bohr's theory of atomic model or Bohr's atomic model. Let's see more about atomic structure. So, an atom is formed from nucleus and extranuclear part. These contains three types of subatomic particles. The first particle of atom is nucleus, second is proton, third is neutron. So let's see one by one. So before starting, the atomic structure of an atom, let's see about its nucleus. So how do the nucleus is there in an atom? The atomic nucleus is positively charged, as we have seen already. Almost entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. So the nucleus contains two types of subatomic particles together called nucleons, and that particles are protons and neutrons. So these protons and neutrons are called as nucleons. So let's see more information of proton, which is denoted by small p. Proton is positively charged subatomic particle in the atomic nucleus. The positively charged on the nucleus is due to the proton in it. So proton is basically positively charged particle. A proton is represented by the symbol small p. Each proton carries the positive charge of plus 1 electron. Plus 1 electron means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. When total positive charge on the nucleus is expressed in the unit E, its magnitude is equal to the number of proton in the nucleus. The number of the protons in the nucleus of an atom is the atomic number. That means atomic number is the number of proton present in the atom, that is called as atomic number of that element and is denoted by capital Z. Atomic number means the number of protons, which is denoted by capital Z. Mass of one proton is approximately 1 unit, that means 1 Dalton. So this is about proton. Let's see the second nucleon, that is neutron, which is denoted by small n. Neutron is an electrically neutral subatomic particle and is denoted by the symbol small n. The number of neutron in the nucleus is denoted by the symbol capital N. Atomic nuclei of all the elements except hydrogen, which with atomic mass 1 unit, contain neutrons. So the mass of neutron is approximately 1 unit, which is almost equal to that of proton. So most of the times protons and neutrons are in same number in an atom. So extra nuclear part is also there in the atom. So let's see about it. The extra nuclear part in the atomic structure includes electrons revolving around the nucleus and the empty space in between the nucleus and the electrons. So let's see the information of electron. Electrons are denoted by E, small e having negative charge. Electron is negatively charged subatomic particle and is denoted by symbol small e. Each electron carries 1 unit of negative charge. So that it is negatively charged. So it is denoted by negative charge. Mass of an electron is 1800 times less than hydrogen atom. Therefore, the mass of an electron can be treated as negligible. Electron in extranuclear part revolve in the discrete orbit around the nucleus. The orbits being three-dimensional in the new nature, a term shell is used. As we have seen the shell, various shells we have seen, K, L, M, N, isn't it? We call them as orbit also. So the energy of an electron is determined by the shell in which it is present. So the number of electron in the extranuclear part is equal to the number of proton and nucleus. Therefore, electric charges are balanced and the atom is electrically neutral. In this way, the structure of atom contains nucleus. In that nucleus, two nucleons are there, proton and neutron. Proton and neutrons are there in the nucleus. Protons are positively charged particle, neutrons are neutral. And then outside the nucleus, electrons are revolving around the nucleus, so that electrons are negatively charged particles. So in this way, due to positive and negative charge, the atom becomes neutral. Electrically it is neutral.